So guys, welcome back to Blainey Biker. We have finally Yamaha's all new 2026 YZF-R9 using Yamaha's renowned CP3 triple cylinder engine. Got some bits on here. You've got the frame sliders and this beautiful aquapovic exhaust designed for the R9 in black. It also comes for 2026 in a nice white and red. It's probably my favorite, and of course Yamaha blue for the Yamaha enthusiasts who are very traditional and they'd like it in blue. These are Bridgestones. So that's a beautiful R9. If we come over to the screen, this is a new TFT screen by Yamaha. So let's see if we can get to the settings then. I can go home, and I want to say it's got turn-by-turn navigation as well, music. So the settings, I'm going to go and have a look at quick shifter, vehicle function, ABS, these are the modes you can custom. And it shows you the screen. Yamaha highlights what you're changing. Traction control highlights the tyre. Slide control and wheelie control. Go into that. Wheelie control. Quick shifter up. So here's the settings, all modes. So for quick shifter, I want it, yeah, so you can either turn it off, you can have it in 2, and he had it in 1, where you can't shift up when decelerating. Here you can. That's quick shifter up, so let's back, quick shifter down. So this is a blipper, we want it in 2 as well. So you can change that in the modes. Brake control, that's your ABS, which is lean sensitive, because of course the bike has an AMU. And engine braking. So yeah, that's the screen. It's got all the modes, it's got everything, display everything you need to see, and it's got different types of screen setups as well. So the theme, you can change the theme, theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, theme 4. So we'll try theme 4. Yeah, and I think we should get back to riding this beautiful bike. Riding it around Woking and Guildford. Start her up as well so you can hear how great she sounds. That, eh? And of course you've got Brembro brakes, KYB suspension front and rear, fully adjustable. It sounds and smells amazing. So guys, let's get back to riding this. So this is me, Blainey, on the R9, finally. First impressions, it's not uncomfortable, this riding position. I'm really not used to this kind of riding position because I've never had like a big sports bike. had a Ninja 125, but that was not really a sport bike. But this, quite alright. Doesn't seem overly, you know, like overly sporty. Like they're not totally leaning all the way forward. Like maybe like an R1, but it's still nice and sporty. Legs are still comfortable. Sometimes you get on a sports bike and your legs are you're just like, nah, that's too that's too bent. This is okay. Not so bad. It made the clutch really sensitive though. I would say the engine is really quite smooth with the power, even in sport mode. So it's funny because it seems, even though it's got the MT-09 engine, it's definitely tuned differently, and that does kind of come across with the gearing most likely. So you know that it's just going to take off on track. But yeah, the gearing is definitely noticeable, very different. Really, you know, clutch is really millimetre by millimetre. The bike is quite close to the biting point. You don't have to release the clutch a lot. Find the bike. Still test the cruise control. Up like this. Right, start like that. Hold 41 miles per hour. Go forward, cancel. Forward to the view. And football. So when you go forward, if you want to go forward and you're on a longer ride, you have free. Ride the bike, you have to not have to do it. The bike is just go on a 30 miles an hour. Deal with your heart. Deal with your bum. So yeah, this is good. Taking gear 3 onwards. That's the cruise control. There's also a speed limiter. Press the cruise control button twice. Yeah, Yamaha's quickshifter. It shows you when you're riding, you've got these triangles. They go green, telling you which direction you can shift. So when you put it in quickshifter mode 2, which is the full functionality, then you can shift in either direction, so both arrows will go green. it to. That's why I will need to test ride the RC990R and of course the Ninja, which is obviously more in terms of hour. You know, it's a sub-1,000 bike, but I'm deciding which one of them to buy as my main bike. It's an investment, and I'm waiting till I'm making the right choice. But I need to pull over and stop anyway. Myself directions back. Do that. My legs aren't cramped and they're perfectly fine. Still feel them. That's good. Alright guys, this is a beautiful R9. Finally got to ride the thing. Really do like the look of it. So now I'm going to head back to the dealership via my Waze using Cardo, and hopefully enjoy that ride as well. Well guys, that is it for this test ride. So like, share, comment, subscribe, dislike if you didn't like it, feedback, and hopefully you guys could hear me much better with the mic.